Hey friends, today is September 28th. Yesterday I didn't film nothing, not much to film because sleep, gym, eat, that's about it, quite boring. I'm planning today my tickets to Krabi. I'm still not decided, 100% sure when I'm leaving, but I'm planning, so yeah. So just bought the ticket from Koh Samui to Krabi. It's ferry to Suratani and then a direct bus to Krabi town. So it's gonna take me like 5 hours or something like that. I leave the port at 2 and arrive at 6:30, so almost 5 hours. Yeah, and I paid 608 baht with the 3% credit card charge, but usually it's like 590, but it doesn't include the pickup. So if you need a pickup, it's 740, and the tour agencies take 890, not 890, sorry, 790. Yeah, so 790, so that's only like 50 baht cheaper. So actually it's more convenient just to buy from a tour guide or somewhere. Yeah, if you ask for a discount, of course. But yeah, I drive here half an hour. But I'm gonna maybe arrange something with the scooter, so maybe it's no problem. Back at my durian place. This is 1 kilo of durian, like crazy. Yeah, yesterday I was kind of sick after 2 durians. Hey friends, so today is September 29th. Yeah, actually I'm filming this, it's already nighttime, I would say, like 8 p.m. yeah. So basically I spent here from September 16th and I'm leaving 30th, so that's somewhere like 14 days. Yeah, so 7 days were only Muay Thai training. That was the reason, to be honest, I spent here that much time. And also durian because I found it here like way cheaper than elsewhere in Thailand. Yeah, but too much is not good. Like I'm eating whole fruit, so that's not healthy. 2-3 seeds, that's enough. Yeah, so it feels like home more than home, I made some friends like at the gym also, so that's cool. Yeah, tomorrow I'm leaving to Krabi. Yeah, my boat is 2 p.m. so I'll arrive at Krabi like 6:30. Yeah, I kind of didn't do no filming like yesterday. Yeah, so yeah.